let us solve some numericals. First one, the ground state and excited state of the laser is separated by 1.8 electron volts. Calculate the ratio of number of atoms in the excited state to the ground state and wavelength of radiation emitted at 27 degrees centigrade. So the data given is E2 minus E1 is 1.8 electron volts. We can convert it in joules by multiplying by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So E2 minus E1 is 2.88 into 10 to the power minus 19 joules. Temperature is given as 27 degrees centigrades, 300 Kelvin. Boltzmann constant we know 1.38 into 10 to the power minus 23 joules per Kelvin. So here, because Boltzmann constant is written in per Kelvin, temperature also we are writing in per Kelvin. Now Boltzmann relation we know, it gives the number of atoms in energy level E at temperature T as e raised to minus E by kT. So we can write N1 to be equal to e raised to minus E1 by kT and N2 that is equal to e raised to minus E2 by kT. Therefore N2 upon N1 can be written as e raised to minus E2 minus E1 by kT, and we can calculate it to be 6.14 into 10 raised to minus 31. So N2 is the number of atoms in excited state, N1 is the number of atoms in ground state, and this ratio of this number of atoms we have calculated as 6.14 into 10 to the power minus 31. Second part of the problem is find the wavelength of radiation emitted. So the wavelength of radiation emitted is given by lambda equal to hc upon E2 minus E1. We know the energy difference E2 minus E1 is equal to h nu, which is hc by lambda. So we can write the relation for lambda, that is equal to hc upon E2 minus E1. By putting the values, h is equal to 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34, c is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8, and E2 minus E1 we have calculated here. We can get the value of wavelength as 6900 angstroms. So this is how a simple problem can be solved. This is one more. Find the ratio of population of higher energy state to lower energy state when the optical pumping is used at 27 degrees centigrade and the photons of wavelength 6982 into 10 to the power minus 8 meter are emitted. So here we can calculate the value of E2 minus E1 by using the wavelength of the photon. So E2 minus E1 is equal to h nu, that is can be written as hc by lambda. Wavelength is given, h we know, c we know. We can calculate this E2 minus E1 as 2.848 into 10 to the power minus 21 joules. Temperature is given, K is given, Boltzmann constant we know actually. So temperature again is written in Kelvin because Boltzmann constant is written in per Kelvin. Again Planck's relation gives us the population of energy level E as e raised to minus E by kT. So population of ground state we can write as N1 to be equal to e raised to minus E1 by kT, and population of excited state can be written as N2 to be equal to e raised to minus E2 by kT. N2 upon E1, N2 upon N1 can be written as e raised to minus E2 minus E1 by kT, and by putting the values, all these values we know, we can calculate N2 upon N1 as 0.503 in this case. This is the last one in this session. If wavelength of laser beam is 6550 angstroms, calculate the energy and momentum of the photon. So in this problem, wavelength is given 6550 angstroms, which we can write in meters as 6550 into 10 to the power minus 10 meters. Energy can be calculated by using Planck's relation, E is equal to h nu, and nu can be written as c by lambda. So hc by lambda, h is known 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34, c also we know 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, lambda is given to us 6550 into 10 to the power minus 10. We can calculate energy of the photon as 3.0366 into 10 to the power minus 19 joules. So first part is over. In second part, we have to calculate momentum of the photon, and for that we will use de Broglie relation. According to de Broglie relation, lambda is equal to h upon p, and therefore we can write it as p equal to h upon lambda. H is given to us, lambda is also given to us, so we can calculate p momentum as 1.012 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg meter per second. So this is the momentum of the given photon. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel so that you will get timely intimation of new videos uploaded to the channel. Thank you very much.